Hey everybody, welcome to the DMARC Checker. It's a simple tool that you can put one or multiple domains, as many as you would like, to check the settings in your DNS for DMARC. Let me show you exactly how it works and you can try it out for free. All you have to do is go to apify.com, register an account, and click on Try for Free in the App Store. Once you do that, you'll get to the listing page. All you have to do is go to the Input tab and type in the domains. You can put one or multiple. For example, I put oneskills.com, I can put another one, I can put google.com, and you can import in bulk. If you have 1,000 you want to check, all you have to do is click on bulk edit and just add them line by line. Once you do that, scroll down to the bottom, click on save and start, and within a few seconds you will get the DNS results, which you can view and also export to Excel or Google Sheets, or even integrate with JSON with your own kind of code. If you notice here, it succeeded. I'm going to scroll down and see the results. I can see the domains. Does it have a valid DMARC? What is the actual policy? Do nothing, quarantine, or reject? And do you have an email for reporting so the email providers can send you an email? And if you want to see the raw data in the DNS, you can see the entire raw data right here. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any suggestions, let us know, and hope you can try this if it's helpful for you. Much, much appreciated.